The third generation business owner were always thinking of ways to adapt and thrive in this highly competitive business landscape. The secret to thriving: you need to have a growth mindset to create an environment that encourages learning, innovation, and implementation. But that's not easy for a traditional company like ours. YSH Farm was founded by my grandfather back in 1976, and we specialize in supplying poultry products to a wide range of customers. We are at a crossroads now because we have maximized our potential for growth in the B2B space over the past 50 years. Especially when COVID impacted our business, sales really took a dip, and we knew we had to diversify and to look for alternative revenue streams. So, for the upcoming year, we're looking to go direct to consumers by exploring new distribution channels and opportunities. When we first heard about BCG Rise, what really stood out to us was its focus on direct application of concepts. We get to work with BCG's experts to solve our company's problem in the program. With our company's focus on growing our direct-to-consumer business and to improve our brand awareness, we decided to enroll into the Omnichannel Sales and Marketing program. For someone without any experience in marketing at all, I found the Rise program to be eye-opening. Through this program, we learn how to create a holistic marketing plan focusing on brand awareness and engagement, which includes setting up and optimizing social media campaigns. We use tools such as SEMrush for SEO Facebook and search ads to maximize website traffic, and also analyze the results for further optimization with Google Analytics. What surprised me was that we even got to interact with BCG's senior leadership, who provided us with sound business advice from their years of experience. They also allowed us to leverage on their network, and we have since started our RedMart journey as a platform to go direct to consumer. As a traditional business without a marketing department, this program has given us a strong foundation as we build our marketing and e-commerce channels. We are also keen to enroll other employees in the digital growth and innovation as well as the data analytics track. And that's how YSH is going to thrive in the many years to come.